Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can display inventory quantity on a product page in Shopify Dawn theme. So what we'll need to do is basically I will now exit my theme. So what we'll need to do is go to your control panel, click on themes, then edit theme, and after that right here select products, then default product, and right here you'll see the menu on the left side, and if you click on product information you'll see these options, and then you see add a block. So click on add a block, and right here you'll see inventory status. Click on that one, and basically now you can move around, put where you want to, and basically that's pretty much it. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.